Welcome back to Simple Trends. If you are looking for videos on home organization and simple easy recipes, subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant notification on our new videos. With most of us residing in apartments, the limitation of less space is a constant problem we face. A functional home is most desired for convenience. These space savers and organizers are sure to make us organize our clutter effectively. The online links to all these products are provided in the description box below. Let's begin. This 4-tire slim trolley with wheels is an excellent storage option in any part of the home. A renter-friendly option if there are less cupboards and space. In bathrooms where there are no shelves, this is ideal to store all our cleaning supplies and daily toiletries. The wheels help in easy movement, and as it is made out of plastic, it is water resistant too. It fits in small spaces, and if we do not have a separate laundry area to store cleaning supplies, this rack would do the needful. It slides in the small area in between the wall and the washing machine. It can be helpful in the kitchen to store daily cooking supplies if there is no separate pantry. I have found it very useful to store all our lunch boxes and water bottles. This avoids morning hassles when we have to pack lunch and snack. Everything in one place, and it slides in the little space between the refrigerator and wall. This bag organizer with an option to hang has 6 see-through compartments. Every time we step out, we hunt for shopping bags or find it difficult to find a suitable handbag. This organizer can hold large handbags, clutches, and can easily fit the shopping bags too. A budget-friendly organizer, it's quite sturdy and can hold all our unused bags and clear the clutter. It can be hung inside the wardrobe too, but I prefer having it outside as I have placed my shopping bags also. This way, there is no need to search for the right bags as we step out. Boxes with compartments are my favorite. These are easily stackable, occupy less space, and are very useful in sorting out clutter. Every house has a lot of electronic clutter, and when we need one, it becomes difficult to find in a pile of chargers or wires. Sorting them in a compartment box has helped me find things easily and reduced clutter. The next to get cluttered is accessories and fashion jewelry. It is not possible to trace the right ones we intend to wear if it is cluttered. It also erodes the coating in them and spoils the luster. Segregating them in these compartment boxes saves a lot of time in finding our favorite ones to match our outfits. If you have school-going kids, you will surely agree that stationery items are the frequent purchases. We end up buying the same things we already have at home. Segregating them in these boxes will give us a fair idea on what we have, and we don't end up buying them. Saves money as well as space and time. I have one in my puja cabinet for small knickknacks. These boxes have transparent lids which give us an easy view of what items are stored in them. File holders are slim and sleek organizers and can be used for organizing miscellaneous things like notebook wrappers or other paper content. This makes it easily accessible, and since this uses more vertical space, it's an excellent organizer in cupboards with less space. It can also be used to keep our unused clutches and purse for more visibility and to protect from damage if left in cupboards with other things. It comes in handy in the kitchen to store water bottles or keep chopping boards in place. One of my recent purchases is this oven stand, which has helped me organize my countertop better. With adjustable height and breadth, It is sturdy and is an efficient way to make use of vertical space. It's made of stainless steel, rust-proof, and can be used for other purposes too. It can be used as an open bookshelf and is capable of bearing the weight of books. If you are looking for utilizing your countertop space more efficiently, I would definitely recommend this. There are 6 hooks in the sides which can be used to hang cutlery too. Easy to assemble, this has made more space above the wet grinder to keep my weighing scale, snack boxes and water bottle for each sea reach. The next in line is the humble plate stand. This has helped me in sorting out my pans and tawas. The dosa and chapati tawas are quite heavy and keeping one on top of the other causes surface damage. This stand fits perfectly in my kitchen cupboard and has helped me sort out my tawas and pans. Easy access and a great space saver. Women at home? Then you will have cosmetics too. Eyeliners, mascara, kajal, lipsticks, makeup brushes. The list is endless and having them together is not a wise option. It does not give an aesthetic appearance and we tend to miss out on certain things and will eventually have to throw them without using. Storing them in these vanity holders gives a clear picture on what is available. A small drawer organizer will also help to keep things segregated and easy to access. These are budget friendly and available in different sizes to suit your needs. I would strongly recommend these partitioned organizers which are of great use at home. In the living room, they can be used to keep remote controls segregated. Many times we misplace remotes and keep searching for them. Placing them in holders will avoid keeping them in our hands while watching TV. In the kitchen, they can be used as cutlery organizers too. They are washable and sturdy. If you are running out of space in your dressing table, these will help to keep things organized and segregated. They can be used for stationery too. Foldable racks are very useful to make use of the vertical space efficiently. They are portable and sturdy. They can fit into small spaces and are also stackable. If you are in need of more countertop space, you can invest in these affordable racks which can serve the purpose. They come in different colors and can be used for placing decor items too. The last one for today is the sturdy chest of drawers which are economical and ergonomical. They can be moved easily as they have wheels. Made of sturdy plastic, this is one of my favorite organizers. They can be used to store clothes when you don't have sufficient wardrobe space. They can easily carry the weight of books and are very helpful if you have school-going children. The drawers are deep and easy to assemble and use. I use it to store my grocery packets. I get my stock for a month or two and store them in these drawers. This allows easy access and I don't have to rummage a huge pile of groceries as these are segregated in the 4 drawers. This is not a sponsored video and these are my personal collection of organizers which I have been using for quite some time and found them very useful. Hope this video has been useful to you also. Share with your friends and relatives and do mention which is your choice of organizer in the comment box below. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. For more organizing and easy recipes, stay tuned to Simple Trends. Bye.